The last way we'll look at comparing numbers is by plotting the numbers on a number line. This is a really great visual way to verify. You might have some students that if you make them do it this way, they might complain, especially when the problems are easier. So like something like 45 and 42, you might have some students who are like, why do I have to do this on a number line? But it's good to make them get used to it while the problems are simple, and then when the problems get more involved, then they already know what they're doing with making the number lines. So what I would do, that your number lines don't necessarily have to be detailed. You don't always have to label every single thing unless the instructions on a problem say to. I'm just gonna, for 45 and 42, I'm just gonna start with 40 and count by ones should work. And I don't need to even go all the way. So I mean, like if you want to keep labeling these, you can. I don't necessarily need to. I am going to plot, which means I am going to use filled in circles. So 45 is here and 42 is here. And literally all you do to compare these is we just know that numbers get bigger as they move to the right, and numbers get smaller as they move to the left. So if you want to find the bigger number, the biggest number is the one that's farthest to the right, or you could say the smallest is the one farthest to the left. So in this case, 45 is the bigger number. 45 is greater than 42 because 45 is further right. So then if we look at the next one, 35,098, 9,264. So this doesn't have to be exact, right? So they've already got like 5,000s, increments of 5,000s here. So 9,264, that's going to be close to 10,000, but not quite. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you would just plot a point and label that. You just need to roughly know where it is. 35,098, that's going to be really close to 35,000. About there. It just needs to be roughly where it goes. And so again, we can see 35,098 is definitely further to the right. So that one is the bigger number in this case.